Two states, one race. A 5 trillion rupee economic contest with implications for India's next decade. Tamil Nadu, the industrial trailblazer of South. On the other hand, Uttar Pradesh, demographically largest state and sprinting towards its transformation. Who's pulling ahead right now and who will dominate the future? This is UP versus Tamil Nadu, the economic powerhouse. Before we move forward, please do consider subscribing to the channel if the subjects of business, finance and economy are of your interest. Let's start by asking a simple question. Where is the capital flowing? When we talk about investments, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh, two of them tell very different stories. Tamil Nadu is not just big, it is mature. Its diversified industrial base contributes about 11.9% of India's manufacturing GDP and has country's one of the most balanced industrial ecosystem. It leads in motor vehicle production, apparel and leather goods and ranks high in electronics and machinery manufacturing. It houses over 40,000 factories in key industrial clusters and its MSME ecosystem remains a core engine of inclusive growth. Economically, Tamil Nadu's GSDP, which is Gross State Development Product, has expanded rapidly. Recent Reserve Bank data shows Tamil Nadu at a GSDP of over 31 lakh crores in 2024-25, maintaining its position as India's second largest state economy after Maharashtra. UP's GSDP stands close behind at about 30 lakh crores, showing UP is catching up. But UP is not sitting still. Over the last fiscal year alone, Uttar Pradesh added 4,000 new factories across sectors, from electronics to defense to food processing, employing close to 13 lakh workers. Tamil Nadu's story? Deep, diversified industrial strength and global supply chain appeal. Uttar Pradesh's story? Rapid industrial expansion and scale growth. Industrial growth needs infrastructure, highways, ports, airports, logistics corridors. Here too, Tamil Nadu and UP have very different engines. Tamil Nadu's infrastructure advantage has been built over decades. Its major ports, Chennai, Ennore, Tuticorin, connecting manufacturers directly to global markets. Its highway network and industrial parks support continuous supply chain flows and export competitiveness. Now let us look at Uttar Pradesh. In last several years, UP has executed one of India's fastest expressway and connectivity expansions. The Purvanchal Expressway, Bundelkhand Expressway and upcoming Ganga Expressway are massive projects linking the heartland to the markets. The state is also integral to dedicated freight corridors, enhancing freight movement efficiency. Additionally, the Jewar International Airport, designed as Asia's largest, aims to redefine air connectivity in North India. Airports across UP have seen explosive growth, with passenger numbers jumping from 60 lakh in 2016 to over 1.6 crore in 2025. So Tamil Nadu's edge? Ports and export-oriented infrastructure. UP's edge? Land connectivity and multimodal logistics growth. Here's where the race gets truly strategic. People. Economic output is only as strong as the workforce behind it. Tamil Nadu has long invested in technical education, industrial training, and workforce readiness. Its labor force participation rate consistently beats the national average, and its workforce is more industrially engaged, ensuring high industrial productivity. MSME's plug-and-play parks and targeted skilling programs have also strengthened Tamil Nadu's human capital ecosystem. Uttar Pradesh, on the other hand, is defined by scale. It is India's most populous state, boasting a massive working age population and youth bulge. The state government has launched very ambitious education and skill development initiatives, aiming to harness its demographic advantage. However, the key challenge remains converting this sheer population into globally competitive skills and at speed. Tamil Nadu's capital strength, higher productivity, skilled industrial workforce, and better workforce participation. Uttar Pradesh's human capital potential, vast scale, and future workforce depth. So who's winning this 5 trillion rupee contest? Tamil Nadu leads today in industrial diversification and export capability, infrastructure efficiency aligned to global markets, and skilled human capital. On the other hand, Uttar Pradesh leads in rapid industrial expansion, massive population and workforce potential, connectivity infrastructure growth. Data says that Tamil Nadu remains ahead in economic output and productivity. UP is the rising challenger, closing the gap through sheer scale and strategic investments. The real question isn't who leads today, it is who will convert growth into sustainable jobs, innovation and inclusive prosperity over next 5 years. Comment below, do you think Tamil Nadu will extend its lead or will Uttar Pradesh become India's next growth powerhouse? And if you have found some value add out of this video, do not forget to like video and subscribe to the channel. And do share with someone who may need to know. Be inspired, keep building.